Hello friends, online lecture of Object Oriented Programming, Department of Computer Engineering. Myself, Saukar Dhanashree, Department of Computer. Subject will be Object Oriented Programming. Unit number 1, Fundamental of Object Oriented Programming. Topic will be covered Namespaces. Namespace is expression logical grouping using declaration. Does not use global using expert for transition to older code. Okay, in namespace for composition. Okay, in function for national coins. Namespaces are open. Unnamed namespace restrict code to local translation unit. Allows next topic is Const. Const prevent object from being modified. Read only to avoid magic numbers. Character is the size of 128. Constant is maximum number 128. Character is maximum in. Logical constant list versus physical constant list. Constant is your friends. Use it extensively and consistently. Can cost away constantly, but be sure to use mutable. Inheritance subclass derived from base class. Two classes should pass the ASA test. Derived class is a base class. Class hierarchy means a building classes incrementally using building blocks become base class from someone else. Facilitate code or reuse. Inheritance versus composition. Inheritance is a and composition is a has a decision should be based on community of interface. Next, virtual function. Function of derived class is called even if you have only a pointer to the base class. How a virtual function works. What is the mentality of virtual function? Space one virtual table is per class with virtual function. One pointer per instance. Time one extra dereference if type not known at compile time. No penalty if type known at compile time. Pure virtual function. Pure virtual function is the function is intentionally used undefined, same pointer as regular virtual function. Abstract class is class shape virtual void draw equal to 0 contains at least one virtual function cannot instance must derived from base class and override pure virtual function. Provide an interface. Thank you friends for watching this video.